In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Sony Dream Machine when the buttons aren't responding properly. First, unplug the Dream Machine from power and wait about 1 minute before plugging it back in. This simple reset can clear minor glitches causing unresponsive buttons. Next, check if any buttons are physically stuck or dirty. Dust and debris can block button movement. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to clean around the buttons gently. If the buttons still don't work, try a factory reset if your model supports it. Look for a small reset button or hole, usually on the back or bottom. Use a paperclip to hold it for about 10 seconds. This will restore default settings but may erase saved alarms or preferences. Sometimes moisture or spills cause buttons to stop working. If you suspect this, let the device dry completely before trying again. If your Dream Machine uses a remote control, test if the issue is with the remote rather than the unit itself. Replace the remote's batteries or try controlling the device manually. If none of these steps help, there might be an internal hardware problem. In that case, contact Sony support or consider professional repair. Following these steps should get your buttons working again and your Dream Machine back to normal. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.